In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change my privacy settings on Duolingo. By the end, you will know exactly where every key privacy control lives on the Duolingo website. On a computer or mobile browser, start by opening your web browser. This can be any modern browser like Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox. Give it a moment to open fully so you see the usual address bar at the top of the screen. Once your browser is open, go to Duolingo. Type duolingo.com into the address bar. Then press enter. After a second or two, you should see the familiar Duolingo homepage with the green owl and language courses on screen. If you land on a lesson page instead, that still works as long as you see the Duolingo header at the top. Now sign into your account. Look for the login option near the top right or in the main area, depending on the page layout. Enter your email and password or use your usual sign-in method like Google or Apple. When you are correctly signed in, you will see your profile picture or initials and your current course rather than a login button. From there, click More in the left menu. It is represented by 3 dots stacked vertically. The left menu usually shows icons for Learn, Leaderboards, and more, and the 3 dots are near the bottom. Clicking that opens a small panel with some extra options that are not visible by default. Next, click Settings. In the menu that just opened, you should see Settings as one of the choices. Select it, and the main part of the page changes to a settings view with several sections across the top or down the side, like Account and Notifications. Now click Privacy Settings. This takes you straight into the part of Duolingo that controls how visible your activity and profile are to others. The page title should clearly mention privacy, and below it you will see different toggles and checkboxes grouped by topic. You are now in the right place to change how public or private your learning profile is. With that ready, change the privacy options you want. One key one is Make My Profile Public. Turn off Make My Profile Public to make your account private. When that is off, other learners will not be able to view your full profile, like your detailed stats and achievements. You can also adjust other available privacy settings you see here, such as what activity can be shown to friends, depending on what Duolingo currently offers on this page. After that, click Save Changes. Look for the Save Changes button near the bottom of the privacy settings page and select it. When you do this, the page will briefly update, and your new privacy choices are stored for your account right away. You have just customized your Duolingo privacy settings, so your profile now matches the level of visibility you prefer. If this helped you lock down your Duolingo privacy, please give the video a thumbs up, and maybe subscribe for more simple Duolingo tips.